Hi everybody, this is Sonya Buchanan, and today we're going to talk about something. We're getting ready and geared up for our spring and summer vegetable garden. But I wanted to do something different this year. I wanted to start my tomato plant from an actual tomato, okay? So I'm excited about it today. But first, let me tell you, a couple of years ago, I started my own vegetable garden from the beginning. My parents is an expert in doing this every year, and I decided one year, I said, I am going to start my own vegetable garden, and I'm going to do step by step. So I did step by step videos. I have about 15 videos that's on my YouTube channel. If you want to go by and take a look at it, if you're interested in starting your vegetable garden. But I did a step-by-step 15 video garden of how to begin your vegetable garden. And then at the end of the summer, I did a cost analysis to find out exactly how much money I saved from having my own vegetable garden. I believe I calculated it was about maybe $450 that summer for having my own vegetable garden. So if that's something you're interested in doing this year, for the spring and summer, you can go to my YouTube channel, which is Sonya Buchanan, and click on the title that says Vegetable Garden, and it'll give you the step-by-step. But first, I'm excited about today and showing you some interesting tips on how to do that from the vegetables that you actually have in your refrigerator. But first, let me tell you. Let me show you some of the things that I have, okay? We have right here, I have this 1 gallon container. It's something that I had around the house, okay? You don't have to buy anything special. You can just use whatever you have around the house, because what you want to do is save money. That's the whole purpose in having a vegetable garden. You want to save money and to eliminate a lot of cost and be able to save during the summertime. And I have here another 1 gallon of the dirt that I'm going to use, okay? This is some of the dirt that I'm going to use, okay? I'm excited about showing you guys this. And I actually have the tomato that I bought from the grocery store that we're going to use, okay? So we have one gallon bucket here, and then we have our perfect soil that we're going to use, and then I'm going to show you how to get started. And then what you're going to do, of course, the plant is not going to just immaculately just show up today. I am going to show you the progress on my Instagram page and my website and my Facebook if you want to come back and check and see what the progress is, okay? So let's get started. What we're going to do, you're going to take some of the dirt here that's already been nurtured. You can go by Home Depot or Lowe's and get the soil that says vegetable garden and flower soil. So it's perfect for growing the perfect vegetables, okay? And what we're going to do, right here, let me show you here. We're going to take the dirt, and we're going to put it in this container here. See? We're going to see here. We'll take this dirt here. Okay. And so you're going to fill it up just halfway. You're not going to fill it up to the top because you're going to cut your tomatoes. I'm excited. Put a little bit more dirt in there. Put a little bit more dirt. Okay? Okay? We're going to put the top back on this. Okay? And then have your little tomato here. Here's the tomato. And I'm going to get a plate. Get a plate here. I'm going to put my tomato here. Okay? And I'm gonna have to have a little knife. Let's get a knife. Okay? Okay. We're gonna cut. Okay. I'm gonna cut the end of the tomato off. I'm gonna put that there. And then, okay. I don't know if you can see the seeds that's in the tomato. Okay? You see all the seeds is in this tomato? That's what we're gonna plant. So we're gonna cut the tomato. As you can see, here's a lot of seeds here. Can you see that? You see all the seeds here? This is gonna grow a lot of plants. Okay? We're gonna cut the tomato like so. Okay? Okay? Then we're gonna put the tomatoes all around here. And then I'm gonna cut the tomatoes some more here. Okay. And they're gonna do that there. Okay. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. See how I did that? I just kind of put the tomato around the dirt. Okay? I'm excited. And then what you're gonna do, you're going to put dirt, more dirt on top of the tomatoes. Okay? So I'm gonna show you how to do that. You're gonna take the dirt, okay? And then you're gonna put the dirt all around the inside of the container. I don't know if you can see that. Put the dirt, container. Okay. I'm gonna fill that up. I'm gonna put this here. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit more dirt here. Okay. Okay. So I put more dirt on top of the tomatoes. Yes. And then what you want to do is, because the soil here is a little moist, so I don't have to water it, I'm going to put it near my window. So I'm going to keep it near my kitchen window. And every day I'm going to check on it and sprinkle a little water on it, because you don't want to get it too wet. You want the tomato plant to take root. And I should be able to see the plants to sprout up within a week. And so I will let you guys know. I'm excited about it. This is the cheapest way. You can also do this with cucumbers, because cucumbers have a lot of seeds. You can do this with zucchini and squash. But right now today, we wanted to give you an illustration of how to begin your tomato plants from an actual tomato. Okay? So you guys stay with us. And you can check back with us on our Instagram page, which is C Promises, or you can go to I am Sonya Buchanan, and you can go to our website at sonyabuchanan.com or comfortandpromises.com, and you also can check us out on our YouTube page at Sonya Buchanan. You guys, get those vegetables garden ready, eat healthy this summer, and we're going to be able to save a lot more money to go on trips and do fun things, and or to just save your money. So this is your girl, Sonya Buchanan with Comfort and Promises broadcast. Bye, you guys.